The iPhone SE 2020 was launched back in April 2020. After that, Apple released the SE 2022 model, and that was officially the end of this iconic lineup. This model is special because it's the last iPhone to feature the iconic Touch ID at the bottom, something many of us still miss even today. Right now, these mobiles are still available in various refurbished online and offline markets. And today, you're going to see the iPhone SE 2020 refurbished mobile unboxing and have a quick glance at how it looks and feels. I bought this mobile from Cashify website, and this is how the box look. The packaging is actually very good. I got this mobile for 14,399 Indian rupees, and the condition of this mobile is mentioned as fair. I'll soon post a video on how good and how to buy mobiles from Cashify, which will be really helpful for those who are looking to buy refurbished devices. Currently, Cashify does not provide any charger in the box, but as I bought this one a few months back, I actually got the charger included. By the way, it's a third party one, not the original. Inside the box, we get the mobile phone, a SIM ejector tool, a charger, and a cable. The overall packaging is so quite good though. This one is the red color variant, which looks really attractive. I checked thoroughly to see if there were any major scratches or damages on the mobile, but even though it's marked as fair condition, the mobile feels perfectly fine. We can use dual SIM cards in this mobile, one physical SIM and one eSIM. I turned on the mobile and quickly set up the rest. Meanwhile, here are some major specs of this mobile for those who are not aware. The chipset inside the phone is the A13 Bionic, which is based on a 7 nanometer process. It weighs just 148 grams and the screen size is only 4.7 inches. This mobile still supports the latest iOS updates, which is really impressive. It comes with 3 GB of RAM and has different storage options to choose from. On the back, it has a 12 megapixel f1.8 camera, and on the front a 7 megapixel f2.2 camera. With the back camera, you can record videos up to 4K at 60 fps, and with the front camera, it supports up to 1080p at 30 fps. There is no 3.5 headphone jack, but it does comes with stereo speakers, which sounds pretty good for its size. The battery is quite small. It's just 1821 mAh. It supports 18 watts wired charging and 7.5 watts wireless charging. You also get NFC support and an IP67 water and dust resistance rating. However, this mobile only supports 4G networks, not 5G. Still, it's really fun to use such a compact mobile in the present era where almost every smartphone is large in size. Even though this mobile can handle heavy workloads due to its compact design, it tends to heat up faster. So I'd say it's best suited for basic to medium workloads at this point. Overall, it feels nostalgic to use such a compact and classic mobile once again. For some people, it brings back that old school iPhone feeling, small, powerful, and easy to use. But unfortunately, Apple decided to move away from this form factor after that. That's the video. Share your opinions about this mobile in the comment section below. Subscribe if you haven't already. I keep posting these kinds of videos regularly. Thank you for staying till the end, and I really appreciate you for spending your valuable time on valuable things like this.